Tsaka yung ano, pagkawala ni Emily, gagawan ko rin yun.
Hey, it's me.
Boy pa siya.
Please wake up.
So, walang spoiler. New release. As in, demand yung game. Oo, tama, baby.
I was just resting my eyes.
Natutulog lang daw siya. Papahinga lang daw si Uncle Leon.
Let me help you.
Pero, sumusuka na ng dugo.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
I don't know the password.
It's okay. Soon left it wide open for us. Any wrong code will do. It'll destroy Opus.
Any wrong code will destroy Elpis. Mas pa Yossi na lang ah. Oy, bawal yan, oy. Zeno, bawal yan, Zeno.
Just whatever it takes. I can buy you some time.
Yaman mo na. Capcom. Baka naman Capcom.
I have an idea.
Kumaya na net ko. Magus Swipe. Shoutout sa internet ni Magus Swipe. Palakasin yung mga internet namin. Kagatin mo na si Grace Uncle Leon. Mr. Loki, shoutout sa'yo. Good evening.
I know the password.
I know the password.
Fulfill your destiny.
Fulfill your destiny, and all will be forgiven.
Only if you let Leon live.
Very well.
Very well. Nang pala eh. Good deal. Maayos naman pa yata kausap si Zeno. Maayos naman yata kausap si Zeno. Good deal. Ilang oras ka na nag-live? Ay, hindi ko sure kung ilang oras na. Pero pang 4 days na natin tong live natin. Pang 4 days na natin siyang nilalaro. Gagsty, ito ano to? Destroy Elpis! Gagsty, baka mag-iba yung ano natin dito. Baka ito yung ano, dalawang ending guys, no? What does the creator desire? Destroy natin yung LPs. Destroy ah. Release? Ano ba? Sige. Yung ano tayo guys, yung canon muna. Yung good ending muna. Ha? Yung good ending. Yung good ending muna tayo. Yung good ending muna tayo guys. Release.
She is my hope.
Ayan, she is my hope.
Blind hope.
Okay.
Release. Confirm.
This is it.
Much sa inyo ha. Maraming salamat. I really appreciate it. Gusto natin mabuhay siyempre. Gusto ko mabuhay si Uncle Leon siyempre. Sino yun? Yung Elvis Presley, oh.
What are you doing, Grace?
Spencer regretted what he did.
Well done.
You promised.
Yes. That I would let him live.
I would let him... Oh, let him live. Gamutin mo din siya.
Mr. Kennedy, I give you the honor of experiencing
Wait lang guys ha. Wait lang po ha. Chill lang.
I'm not sure Elpis is what you think it is. There's nothing special about me. I was never any king. Spencer wanted to make amends.
But you released Elpis. What is it?
Uy, nawala yung kapangyarihan niya. Nawala yung kapangyarihan niya. Nawala yung kapangyarihan niya.
My powers!
Oo, nawala yung kapangyarihan niya.
Spencer's atonement. It's an antiviral.
Ah, antiviral yung ano hawak niya. Ay, si Victor Bondum. Ay, Victor Gideon pala.
Amazing. I am humbled by my master's genius.
Your research was wrong.
Research was wrong.
Elpis wasn't a weapon. There was never a key.
Spencer's pain.
Wala na yung kapangyarihan mo, boy.
There was no connection between Grace and Emily.
Do you know how much time and money I wasted on
Don't
this?
you see the genius? With Elpis, all virus-based weapons are useless. The world order will be thrown into chaos.
John Mark, hello. Good evening.
Wanted a weapon.
Instead, Spencer gave us anarchy.
Welcome.
I will carry his torch and bring his vision to
Maki,
life.
welcome po.
You and Spencer were a means to an end.
Yet he outwitted you all.
Away sila, nag-away sila.
Spencer defied us and paid the price with his life. He was nothing.
You are nothing but an imitation.
It's over.
Imitation. It's
The
over, Victor.
connections is done with you.
Ay! Tagsdi ka! Deadpool! Deadpool siya, boy! Ay, gaksi si Grace!
Your ignorance is staggering.
Clone nga sa imitation daw. Oo, clone siya. Solid yung ano nga, di ba? Solid yung ulo.
Welcome.
Ayan, na-cure na siya!
Working.
Welcome po. Thank you so much.
Working, wake up.
Wake up, Uncle Leon.
Now.
Wait lang guys ha, wait lang po ah.
All of it.
Grace, what happened?
Me, thank you so much, Me. Shoutout sa'yo, good evening.
Welcome.
Welcome po. Thank you so much sa mga nagpa-follow, guys. Jerry, shoutout sa'yo.
Welcome.
Welcome po. Salamat guys. Mark Lee,
Grab something!
grab something. Boy, si Leon! Good ending tayo! Nice one! Good ending nga ba?
Grace!
Ay, kasi boss fight. Boss fight, boy. Awit sa'yo.
Burying Lois' last skeleton.
Boss fight, galit na galit, oh.
Spencer's vision lives through me. I will see that he
Wait lang, wait lang! Mali!
And how many more will have to die for that vision?
Hoy!
Sacrifices must be made.
Welcome.
Welcome po, salamat!
Not to me. I swore that I'd always protect those lives.
Guys, wait lang ah. Ano yan? Naging Dr. Octopus! Naging si Dr. Octopus!
Seems you're reaching your limit.
Hoy! Bitawan mo yan! Tago! Any charot sa'yo. Tago, tago. Ayun, lakas ng bawas. Ay! Ang lakas ng bawas.
Win. Give it up.
May nakuha tayo rocket launcher. Aray ko, ang sakit mo, ang sakit mo. Ay, patay ka! Patay ka! Makulit ka, ha? Kamay mo, patamain! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, guys!
Welcome.
Welcome po, welcome! Asker, salamat sa mga nagpa-follow. Shoutout sa inyo.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Love you all, guys.
Welcome.
Ryan, shoutout sa'yo. And AA. Lalaki pa yan? Lalaki pa to? Awit naman sa kanya, lalaki pa siya.
Welcome.
Oo nga! Awit! Ang laki mo! Ang laki mo! Ang laki mo!
Nemesis.
Final boss fight! Hihirit nga! Nag-evolve siya, boy. Nag-evolve. Ilang beses mo na natapos. Ngayon pa lang, Big Stone, ngayon pa lang. Ngayon pa lang natin siya natatapos. Wala bang bala? Wala tayong bala. Ay! Wait lang! Time first, time first. Ay! Uy, bata, masakit yan, masakit yan.
Welcome.
Welcome po. Makatama ka dyan, ha?
Welcome.
Diyos ko po. Ay, nawakan! Nawakan! Maganda ba yung sa laruin ko? Oo, sobra. Sobrang maganda. Sobrang maganda. Lakas na yung Uncle Leon mo. Galit na galit. Uncle Leon still kicking. Tulungan lang naman siya. Uncle Leon still kicking. Lakas pa rin na Uncle Leon, di ba Ryan? Oh, di ba? One hand oh. One hand. Oo nga sa.
This time, you ain't getting back up.
Panis. Parang sa Walking Dead yun ah. Parang sa Walking Dead yun ah. Aura Farm Leon. Yung post na yun, parang sa Walking Dead. John Mark, shoutout sa'yo.
Grace, where are you?
How much po yung game? Reach, nasa 3.5 po yung Deluxe Edition.
Sherry, come in.
3.1 yung base game. Yun, Sak, kakasabi ko lang, Sak. 3.5 Deluxe Edition. 3.1 sa base game, no?
Grace,
Kay Linda Walker. Ito si Linda Walker. Oh.
Grace.
Kiss mo raw, Leon. Kiss mo.
Leon.
We need to get you out of here. Come on.
Ay, ay, na. Tara na. Krong, shoutout sa'yo, Krong. Grace, tama na tulog. Tama na yung tulog. Kay, thank you so much. Kay, shoutout sa'yo, Kay. I really appreciate it. Salamat guys. Thanks for the love and support. Shoutout sa'yo, Kay. Huwag ka mamatay, Grace. Huwag tayo mamatay. Ayun, sa notification ng gifts natin yan, pasintabi sa mga kumakain, no? Thank you so much, Kay. Thank you so much.
I'm gonna sit right here with you.
Tapos na yata, no, Rich? Tapos na yata. Pero guys, isa second playthrough natin to, ha? Before tayo mag-proceed sa dati nating game. Like yung Resident Evil 8. Kay, thank you so much, Kay. Salamat talaga ng sobra. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love and support.
Welcome.
Salamat. Army!
Welcome.
Thank you so much, Army. Shoutout sa iyo, James.
Welcome.
Christian. And Crix. Army and K, maraming salamat, ha?
Leon S. Kennedy?
Leon S. Kennedy?
Then
Opo.
asking.
Depend who's asking.
You read me, sir?
Depend who's asking.
Yeah, let's see.
Welcome.
Kulit mo, Leon. Basag ka dun.
Mr. Kennedy.
Yo, Sir Jones.
Welcome.
The message
Sir
from Captain
Jones.
Redfield.
Shout out, good evening.